Okay, Doug, let's get to this weather forecast now. The tower cam here at 617 looking basically the same as when I stood up here the last few days in the early evening hours. So it is mostly sunny. We've got some high cirrus clouds that have been drifting in from the south. Also, the smoke that has been overhead the last several days continues to be around as well. So kind of a filtered brand to sunshine we've noticed today, of course, and we'll continue on with that until a sundown in about an hour and a half. Grand Rapids to 79 degrees this afternoon. Look at those overnight lows towards Lansing, Muskegon, and Holland. Everybody between about 50 and 53 degrees. And 79s were wild on the board today. Nobody touching 80 on that particular chart, but we've got a shot to do that. I don't think so much tomorrow because a few more clouds will be in the equation on Thursday. But by the time we get to Friday and Saturday, I do believe there will be some 80s showing up on the chart. The waters of Lake Michigan, this out in Grand Haven, where we've had waves on the order of about a foot to 2 feet today. And we'll pick up similar waves for tomorrow, 1 to 2, maybe 3 feet. Southwest winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Water temperatures basically the same to what they've been recently. So fairly calm conditions. We're going to start to pick up more active conditions on Lake Michigan, though, starting on Saturday and likely going for a number of days into next work week as we bring down some chillier air from Canada. And typically when you change air masses, you do that with brisk wind speeds, and I do believe that will be the case starting Saturday, Sunday, and through a good chunk of next week. We've got the jet stream off to our north. That's allowing for the nation to be flooded with above normal temperatures. Our average high now is 70 degrees. We got to 79 this afternoon, so quite a surplus. And we'll continue on the plus side, it does look like, through Saturday and maybe even Sunday now. Sunday looking a little bit milder, but by early next week, yeah, we're dropping back quite a bit. 74 in GR, so we have come down from that daytime high right along the lakeshore with some of those west or southwest breezes at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. That has kept the mercury a few degrees cooler than the rest of us today, and that's the case right now. So a bit of a modified effect with that local temperature pattern from Muskegon southward to Holland and South Haven, Benton Harbor with those west winds, not much higher though than about 10, maybe 15 miles per hour at times. I showed this right before the commercial break. This is our temperature trend chart, which has the daytime highs, and they start to sink next week. More clouds around and a bit better chance for some rain showers at that time, allowing for readings to really start to back down. And this is the chart over the next couple weeks from the Climate Prediction Center. We've got cooler days ahead. Here's weekend planner, 81 degrees on Saturday. We back it up just a bit on Sunday, but you'll notice if you've been paying close attention to these forecasts, we've actually elevated Sunday. That first cold front overnight Saturday into Sunday morning is not going to have all the real chill with it. It'll be the second and third cold front that arrives Monday into Tuesday of next week. This is a weather disturbance I'm following, very similar to the one from yesterday morning that added some clouds early there on what was Tuesday morning, had a couple sprinkles. I think the same deal is possible by tomorrow evening, but nothing substantial. This is the European model. We've got these high clouds overhead, kind of overdoing it, the model with the clouds. And then there's that disturbance I just showed you out over the Dakotas, and Minnesota tries to creep in here, but as suggested yesterday, it falls apart. Could it hold together enough to bring a few sprinkles tomorrow evening? Certainly possible. It will add some clouds tomorrow afternoon, and then we'll wait towards Saturday into Sunday to see our next shot for a shower. That not looking real copious in terms of rainfall prospects, but by Monday into Tuesday, as we bring down some troughing out of Canada, should be a better shot for scattered showers. Not a big rain event, but certainly it's going to be breezy and quite chilly around here with these daytime highs dropping into the lower 60s and perhaps even the upper 50s. Doug and Derek, I'll be spelling that out more so. Talk about it here coming up in just a bit.
Thanks, Anthony. Look for that.
Yeah, the late Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg